Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode on my channel. Today, we're tackling how to play with friends on Among Us in 2025. If you're a fan of this sneaky spaceship game, you're in for a treat because the 2025 updates have made it easier than ever to team up with your buddies for some epic imposter hunts. Whether you're on mobile, PC, or console, let's dive right in. First off, make sure your Among Us game is fully updated to the 2025 version. This includes new cross-platform features that let you play with friends regardless of their device. Head to your App Store or game launcher and download any pending updates. It's quick and essential for seamless play. Once you're set, launch the game and navigate to the Online tab. Here, you'll have two main options: creating a new game or joining an existing one. If you're hosting, select Create Game. Customize your settings like the map, player count, and game modes, then generate a room code. This code is your golden ticket. Share it with your friends via text, Discord, or any chat app. For joining, simply enter the code in the Join Game section. Pro tip: with the 2025 updates, you can now add friends directly through the in-game friends list. Just search for their usernames if they're online, send an invite, and wait for them to accept. This cuts out the hassle of codes for repeat plays. Once everyone's in the lobby, discuss strategies, assign roles if needed, and hit Start. Remember, communication is key. Use the chat or voice features wisely to outsmart the imposters. It's all about having fun, building trust, and maybe a little betrayal. There you have it, folks, a straightforward guide to playing Among Us with friends in 2025. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below with your best imposter stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.